Summer and it's raining, and these are calves. I wanted to wonder what they will do. These calves, their home is like they have to go this way, and they will come this way to this road, and what to say? They have to travel so far actually. It's windy already. It's beginning to rain. I wanted to go somewhere because of my work, but it started raining. Do you ever wonder what happens outside when it starts to rain? What happens to the birds? How do they take shelter? That's, I'm a pigeon fan, so this one, this question came into my mind. So, what are these guys? Okay, there's a cow over there. It's not focusing. Yeah. They keep grazing all day. They have such a good life. Staying outside, grazing all day. But problem comes when there is rain. That's a problem. What about those calves? And what is he doing over there? Not able to focus this guy. It's already started raining. Yup. They they're taking shelter from here. How? That's the focus which I wanted. There you go. This guy. No. Okay, there you go. One, two, and there is this guy. There is another cow shelter over there. This is the road, and where you see that cow running. Oh, that's Jogi. Okay, so I saw that calf running to that road. Okay, and in that junction there is a cow shelter, and I forgot she might be from there.